gravitational field and potential energy? Last class we variation of acceleration due to gravity only. No. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Now today we are going to analyze another important topic related to gravitation concept. That is gravitational field. Gravitational field. Gravitational field is the space around the mass in which the force is experienced by placing another unit mass. Listen here, all of you listen here, don't write here. Just listen. Gravitational field is the space around the mass. Consider this is a mass. Around this mass, there is a space in which the force can be experienced. How the force can be experienced? When you place another mass in the space which is around the original body, this body will experience some force of attraction. Therefore, this field is considered to be a gravitational field. என்னன்னு சொல்றேன் புரியுதா? This is the mass. இதை சுத்தி ஒரு field, ஒரு space இருக்கு. இந்த ஸ்பேஸுக்குள்ள ஒரு பாடியை வச்சுக்கிட்டா அந்த பாடியில ஒரு அட்ராக்டிவ் ஃபோர்ஸ் இருக்கு. அப்படி வந்ததுன்னா அதுல கிராவிடேஷனல் ஃபீல்ட் இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம். அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? ஓகே. Write down the definition. Students, kindly see that the space around the material of the body in which the gravitational force or pull can be experienced is called a gravitational field. The magnitude, the intensity of gravitational field can be calculated using the formula as Gm divided by R squared. That means அதாவது gravitational field உடைய value எவ்வளவு இருக்கு, அதை எப்படி மெஷர் பண்றது? By the term called intensity of gravitational field. Intensity of The force experienced by the body of unit mass placed at that point provided presence of unit mass does not disturb the force experienced by the body of unit mass placed at that point, provided the presence of unit mass does not disturb. What does it mean? Consider this is a body. Around this body, in the space, or field that is called gravitational field. How to measure the intensity of gravitational field? If you want to calculate the gravitational field at any point in the space, gravitational field, I'm going to place a unit mass. Idanoda mass வந்து 1 kg. It will be attracted. It will be attracted. The force of attraction experienced by placing a unit mass in the gravitational field is called intensity of gravitational field. Okay, va? Field kulla or unit mass வைக்கிறப்போ அந்த unit mass குள்ள act பண்ற அந்த gravitational force அதான் என்ன பண்றோம்? Intensity of gravitational field. Understand? Okay. The gravitational field is denoted by the letter E minus Gm divided by R square. The negative sign indicates that there is an attractive force. G is the universal gravitational constant and M is the mass of the planet or Earth. R is the radius or distance about which the gravitational field is to be calculated. In the point le நம்ம calculate பண்ணனுமோ அந்த பாயிண்ட் குரிய distance எங்க இருந்து the planet or earth ல இருக்கு. எனக்கு இங்க வேணும். அப்போ இங்க distance வந்து r, இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு யூனிட் மாஸ் வச்சிருக்கோம். அதனால வர எலக்ட்ரிக் ஃபீல்ட்.
Sir, நம்ம E முன்னாடி அந்த GM முன்னாடி ஏன் மைனஸ் போடுறோம்?
Minus sign indicates the force of attraction, attractive force. Repulsive na plus, attractive force na minus. Understand? The gravitational force is nothing but the force of attraction. That is why the negative sign.
Sir.
Yes.
The sum में derive பண்ணி காட்டுங்க sir.
என்னமா?
Sum में derive பண்ணி காட்டுங்க sir. Formula எப்படி வந்தது derive பண்ணி காட்டுங்க sir.
நீட்டுக்கு டெரிவேஷன் தேவையில்லை. For academic purpose only the derivation will comes. நீட்டுக்கு derivation தேவையில்லை. If I derive the formulas we cannot solve the problem because we have very less time. Leave it the matter to me. I am taking class for NEET point of view. Understand?
We study
Huh?
we are studying NEET also and state board also, sir. So many
I can't hear you properly. Sound here. At the time, all the students are talking. Give your opinion. Yeah.
Sir, we study NEET along with state boards.
Huh? You are a state board student, huh? Okay.
State board படிக்கிறோம் சார். சார் நாங்க நீட்டுக்கும் படிக்கிறோம் ஸ்டேட் போர்டுக்கும் படிக்கிறோம் சார். அதனால தான் சார் தெரியும் சொல்றோம்.
அதான் தம்பி, நீங்க நீட்டுக்கும் படிக்கிறீங்க ஸ்டேட் போர்டுக்கும் படிக்கிறீங்க, ரைட்? ஓகே. இப்போ ஸ்டேட் போர்டு எடுத்தானா, டெரிவேஷன்ஸ்ல எடுத்தானா, நீட்ல வந்து எனக்கு டைம் பண்ண முடியாது. எனக்கு நீட் கோச்சிங், ஐ ஆம் கமிங் ஃபார் நீட் கோச்சிங். Okay, I will teach the subject based on that NEET curriculum. The objective of this program is to teach the NEET concept. In NEET examination, the derivations will not be asked. Formula derive பண்ணு, அந்த கதையெல்லாம் அங்க கிடையாது. இந்த கதை அடிக்கிற வேலையெல்லாம் எங்க பண்ணணும்? ஸ்டேட் போர்டு எக்ஸாம்ல தான் நீங்க மக்கப் பண்ணி புக்ல இருக்கிறதெல்லாம் கொடுக்கணும். புரியுதா? அதனால நீட் எக்ஸாம்ல இந்த டெரிவேஷன் போர்ஷன்ஸ்க்கு எம்பசைஸ் பண்ணவே மாட்டாங்க. If you see all the questions, previous year questions, they are related to only concept oriented and problem oriented. The questions will be in objective type. It's not a descriptive type. It's okay.
Okay sir. Okay sir.
Shall we proceed further?
Yes sir.
Just a minute. Students, are you attending the physics class separately for state board portion or yes sir or no sir?
No sir.
Oh. No physics class, for state board portion. Oh, that is why you are asking like this, huh? Okay. Or I understand your feeling, but what can I do? If I teach the state board syllabus, I cannot cover. அப்போ என்ன இதே வாய் என்ன சொல்லும்? அவர் வந்தாரு, நீட் போர்ஷனே நடத்தல, ப்ராப்ளமே போடல அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. இல்ல அப்படித்தானே தம்பி சொல்லுவீங்க? You are in the NEET program. Okay, I will teach the concept. We can eliminate only the derivation part. Other thing I will teach thoroughly. Don't worry. Okay, based on that information, you can go through the textbook and you can grasp the concept easily. Understand?
Okay.
Silence, please. Next term, gravitational potential. Gravitational potential. All of you listen here. All of you listen here. Consider this is the mass. The mass produces electric field in the space. This is the space. Okay. Now, when you place a unit mass, a test mass in the field, this test mass placed at the point, say A, will be subjected to the attractive force. புரியுதா? இது ஒரு ஓல இருக்க பாயிண்ட்ல ஒரு மாஸ் வச்சிருக்கோம். அதுதான் நீங்க you can consider it as a planet or earth. Around that planet or earth, the field will be prevailing. If you place any mass in the field, say A, the body will be attracted toward the earth or planet. Understand? Now, I'm going to move the object from one point to the another point, from say A to B. I have to do some work. I have to do some work. I am spending some energy to move a mass from A to B. The work done to move an object from infinite to the reference point is called gravitational potential. Understand the concept?
Yes, sir.
ஒரு எலக்ட்ரிக் ஃபீல்ட்ல ஒரு பாடி இருக்கு, அதுல ஒரு அட்ராக்டிவ் ஃபோர்ஸ் இருக்கு. இப்போ என்னன்னா, நான் அந்த மாச ஒரு பாயிண்ட்ல இருந்து இன்னொரு பாயிண்ட்டுக்கு மூவ் பண்றதுக்கு I am spending some energy. As a result, the work is being done on the system. That work done is nothing but gravitational potential. How to define the gravitational potential? It's the work done to move the object from infinite to the reference point. எந்த இடத்துல நீங்க உங்களுக்கு gravitational potential வேணுமோ அந்த பாயிண்ட் வரைக்கும் ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்டா இன்ஃபினிட் டிஸ்டன்ஸ்ல இருந்து நீங்க கொண்டு வந்து வைக்கிறப்போ எவ்வளவு ஒர்க் பண்றீங்களோ that work is nothing but gravitational potential. Very important term. Gravitational potential is denoted by the letter V. Actually, this gravitation's topic is similar to the electrostatic topics in the +2 portion. In your +2 portion, first chapter deals with electrostatic. That topic is similar to the gravitation. All the term coming here are coming there also. Okay. Therefore, we have to thorough this terminologies. Kindly take down this, please. It is the amount of work done the relation between electric field, electrostatic potential. Very important formula in terms of electric field and electrostatic gravitational potential. The three formulas are important. V and E. Next. Now we are going to analyze the gravitational field and the gravitational potential for the spherical shell. நான் நிறைய conditions எல்லாம் சொல்ல போறேன். இந்த ஃபார்முலா எல்லாம் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். அதுல வந்து ஈயும் வியையும் கம்பேர் பண்ண போறோம். Kindly note down the formula. Gravitational field intensity and gravitational potential. Gravitational field intensity is denoted by the letter E. Gravitational potential V due to spherical shell. What shell means? A hollow sphere, that is called shell. Hollow sphere or shell. The radius of the shell is R. In this analysis, students kindly see the board. Listen here. For the cell, we are going to calculate the E value and V value for the three conditions. First condition, we are going to find out the electric field outside the spherical cell. செல்லுக்கு வெளியில ஒரு பாயிண்ட்ல பார்க்க போறோம், அப்புறம் சர்ஃபேஸ்ல பார்க்க போறோம், அப்புறம் இன்சைட் த ஸ்பெரிக்கல் செல். Let R is the radius of the spherical cell. Suppose இங்க ஒரு பாயிண்ட் இருக்கு which is greater than the radius of the earth or spherical cell. அப்புறம் inside the cell part. Kindly note down this. Students, all of you listen here. There are three formulas, three cases. The first case is the radius, which is the point which is outside the sphere. That is, the small r is greater than radius. Field outside is minus gm divided by small r squared. Similarly, gravitational potential is minus gm divided by r. Next one, at the point on the surface of the cell, surface male, so small r is equal to capital. Third case, very important. Many times this question will come. The electric field inside the shell is equal to 0. There will not be any gravitational pull. Therefore, electric field inside the shell is 0. But we have gravitational potential. V is equal to minus Gm divided by R. Understand? A small r node podla. Don't forget this. This is a very important point. Okay. Shall we move? Next one, we are going to analyze the electric field and electric field means gravitational field and the gravitational potential for the solid sphere. The second case is solid sphere. Okay. Take down this. Here also, we are using three conditions. We are going to calculate E and P outside the solid sphere, on the surface of the solid sphere, inside the solid sphere. Okay, first condition. The V formula in the denominator only radius, whereas in G formula in the denominator R squared. That is the difference. In all the formulas in the numerator, G and M comes. G is the gravitational constant and M is the mass of the planet or Earth. The third condition. At a point inside the Earth, that means R is less than capital R. Here, that is the main difference. In the case of the spherical cell, E is 0 inside the cell, but it has, in this case, the electric field inside students kindly note down this minus GM R divided by R square. Okay. Memorize all the formulas. Both cases. One is spherical shell, another one solid sphere. In spherical shell, electric field inside the spherical shell is equal to 0. That is a gravitational field. That point is very, very important. Okay, next one. Gravitational potential energy. Students, kindly listen here. Just now, I explained the term gravitational potential. That means the work done to move a unit positive charge from infinite to the reference point. Okay. So that can be written as the general expression. V is the gravitational potential. Work done, listen here, work done to move a unit mass from infinite to the reference point. Work done per unit mass. This is the one. The work done to move a unit mass from the reference mass, from the infinite to the reference mass, is equal to energy stored in the unit mass. When you remove the applied force, the mass will come back to the initial point. Therefore, in this case, the work done is equal to potential energy. That potential energy is nothing but the gravitational potential energy. Therefore, V is equal to work done divided by mass, or gravitational potential energy divided by mass. Now compare this. Therefore, gravitational potential energy is denoted by the letter U. U is equal to V into M. This gravitational potential energy is equal to gravitational potential into mass of the body. Okay. Have you finished, students?
Yes, sir.
Now let us solve some problems related to variation of gravitational field and gravitational potential. Students, can you see this screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, this is the problem. This is application oriented. The acceleration due to gravity is g at a distance r from the center of the earth of radius r. If radius small r is less than the radius of the earth, then a is g is directly proportional to r. G is directly proportional to r squared. G is directly proportional to the r minus 1. G is r minus 2. Which one is correct, Thambi? Solunga Babu. Very simple. Direct question.
Option A.
Option A. Very good. See the next question. Why is so much of noise is coming? Are you speaking with your neighbors? Oh, there any door now close பண்ணிடுங்கப்பா அந்த ஏதாவது door இருந்தா close பண்ணுங்க. So much of noise. That is why I can't hear your voice and any ஏதாவது நீங்க பேசுனீங்கன்னா எனக்கு கேட்கவே மாட்டேங்குது. Thambi, see this next problem. The height of the point vertically above the earth. The height of the point vertically above the earth, at which the acceleration due to gravity becomes 1% of its value at the surface. Yes. What does it mean? Read the problem and tell me the answer if you solve that. The height of the point vertically above the earth's surface, at which the acceleration due to gravity 1% of its value at the surface. See, all of you listen here. The gravitation due to acceleration due to gravity will be maximum at the surface of the earth. When you're going on, when you're going upward, its value is going on decreasing. Understand? Mela poga poga, and acceleration due to gravity குறைஞ்சிக்கிட்டே வரும். Question என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? ஒரு particular pointல the acceleration due to gravity is 1% of the acceleration at the surface. 1% தான் இருக்கு. எர்த்ல அந்த சர்ஃபேஸ்ல இருக்கிற வேல்யூக்கு 1% இருக்குன்னா அது எவ்வளவு டிஸ்டன்ஸ்ல இருக்குன்னு கேக்குறேன். Understand the problem? Yeah. Sure. How to find out the acceleration due to gravity at any height? I have already wrote that formula in the previous class. Gravitation at a given height. What is that? G R squared divided by capital R plus H whole square. Okay. Here, particular height la எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? 1% இருக்கு. என்ன 1%? G ஓட வேல்யூல 1%. 1% of gravity at the surface. R. Okay, 1% means it can be written as 1 divided by 100. 1 divided by 100 into G R squared R plus H whole square. Now let us cancel G. Sorry, understand both sides. Now how to simplify this one? 100 cross multiply பண்ணுங்க R plus H whole square. This side கொண்டு வந்து 100 அந்த side கொண்டு போங்க. What is that? 100 R square. கரெக்ட்டா தம்பி? Now to simplify this, let us take a root on both sides. It becomes 10R, isn't it? Therefore, H is equal to 10R minus R. That is equal to 9R. Got the answer? Okay. Take down this one, please. Is it okay now? Finish down. Okay. Students, listen here. Silence, please. நான் உங்களுக்காக ஆக்சுவலா இப்போ உங்களுக்கு பிசிக்ஸ் தனியா ஸ்டேட் போர்டு சிலபஸ் யாரும் எடுக்கலையா? என்ன தம்பி? அந்த ஸ்பெக்ஸ் போட்ட பையனுக்கு பக்கத்துல ஒருத்தர் உட்கார்ந்துருந்தா அப்படியே அவர் எந்திரிங்க. நீங்க ஏதாவது சொல்லுங்க. நீங்க தான் சொல்லணும். தம்பி உன்னையே தான் பக்கத்துல உங்க பக்கத்துல உட்காந்துருக்காரு ஸ்பெக்ஸ் போட்ட பக்கத்துல அவரு பக்கத்துல அந்த பையன் தானே கேட்டா அப்படி உட்காருங்க எந்திரிங்க நீங்க எந்திரிங்க சொல்லுங்க இப்போ அத ஸ்டேட் போர்டு அந்த சிலபஸ் எடுக்கலையா உங்களுக்கு ஹலோ நெட்வொர்க்கிங் ப்ராப்ளம் as for me I give the assurance that I will cover both that state board syllabus as well as NEET, but I cannot derive the formula because it will take more time. If I concentrate on the state board syllabus, I cannot do the problem. The purpose of taking the class is to pass in the NEET examination only. Okay.